Welcome guys, thank you very much for joining me here on IPO Market Watch. My name is Mike, and in this YouTube video I am going to review for you, kind of weird to be honest, but it is the most requested IPO I've gotten this year, which is strange. It's kind of, I don't know, it scares me. Because to be honest, I'm going to get to the point real quick. I think that this company that is going public, it's coming up on August 7th. I'm neutral on it. I was neutral on it, but I'm getting so many questions, so many questions, so many requests to cover this. I'm starting to think, am I missing something? Am I wrong? Is this going to do well? And I don't know. So I'm going to cover it in this YouTube video, and in the comments section below, I want you to let me know if you think that this company will do well on August 7th. As always, before I go to this IPO review video, I'd like to talk about some other things real quick. One, the politics certainly are not helping. So if you're a new investor or current investor and you're seeing the politics right now, it's not going to help. I mean, in August, don't expect much from August or September. It's usually not good time for the stock market, but it bounces back. I think I think that we're going to have a Fed rate cut. The next one is going to be a cut for sure, in my opinion. We should have a good winter in the stock market. We're probably going to have a good Santa rally. These are just my opinions. Now, every year over on the Discord/Patreon community, I make picks throughout the year of stocks that I believe are a buy, and I announce ahead of time to my members, okay, this is a stock that I consider it a buy, and I'll buy it at this price and sell it at that price, right? The total picks I made last year were 173 picks. The 164 were sold profitable before the year ended. This was all in 2024. So out of the 173 picks, the 164 were sold profitable. 6 are carried over in 2025 still as open positions, and only 3 were sold for a loss. One of the tools we added this year, which helps us a lot, is optimized momentum analysis. And we had, for example, it gave us an 80 out of 100 strong buy. That was back on July 29, 2025, when it was $9.91. Today, applied digital is at $13.22, so that's pretty cool. So let's say we run a Buffett where I'm basically asking our Warren Buffett AI version. Let's find a ticker. Let's look at AU. I like AU. So what does Warren Buffett AI bot think of AU? And here it is, the analysis, a complete Warren Buffett analysis. All right, I'm not going to go through it all. It gives it an overall score that you can see here. Overall score, 77 out of 100. Gives it a high quality. It has the green bar on the side, which means it is a buy. So the investment recommendation is a buy. Okay, so WhiteFiber Incorporation, guys, WYFI. This is the IPO that people are, I don't know, requesting a lot, which is crazy. I'm confused, to be honest. I don't know why. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe this is going to explode on day one, and then I'm just going to be like, okay, I guess they knew something, because I'm not perfect. Up until this moment of doing this YouTube video, I had reviewed it, personally on my own, looking at it, and I was like, yeah, okay, neutral. I don't know. I don't want to get into this, because it is available for pre-order on Webull. So if you have the Webull trading app, you can buy this right now at 15 to 17, which basically means you're going to get at $16 US, right? And it's not publicly traded yet. Just for those who are new in the stock market, what is an IPO? It is a new company that is going public on the market, basically, right? So it's a private company that wants to be part of the stock market, and they're going to go public. They're not public yet, and why would you buy their shares before they go public? The reason you would do that only is if you think that on day one, when they go live on the stock market, that the stock is going to explode instantly, that it's just going to keep on running. It's not going to open at 15 or 17. It's going to open at 20, 25, 26, So then you would be a winner because you had bought it at $16 before it went public. They're offering 7.8 million shares, so that's low. The deal size about 125 million. Okay, not bad. The company targets the booming AI infrastructure, and that's probably one of the main reasons why people are interested in this company. So this is a New York-based company. It was created as a subsidiary of Bit Digital. Ticker symbol BTBT, which is already trading in the market. And I'm going to go out of my way right now to predict the ticker symbol BTBT is going to do well and going to pop on August 7th, just from the fact that their subsidiary went public on August 7th. Now, WhiteFiber Incorporation develops AI-oriented infrastructure capabilities from its Montreal Tier 3 high-performance computing data center in Canada. So this company offers cloud services, AI GPU services, and they have received $221 million in investments from their parent company, Bit Digital, which I don't like that either. We have very small financial data on this company, and basically this is it, the revenue. So in 2024, it was something under 50 million and projected to be 56 million for 2025. Net income is on the positive side at 1.97 million. Free cash flow is horrific at negative 110 million. Cash is around 15 million, not enough in my opinion. Total debt though is low at 13.6, but it is growing. Look, I'm gonna stop here. All right, the thing that I'm looking at WhiteFiber Incorporation, they take a symbol WYFI, or as my father-in-law would call it, he calls it WYFI. The the Wi-Fi, like in the internet, like you turn on your Wi-Fi to get internet. He doesn't call it Wi-Fi, he calls it Wi-Fi. Anyways, bad joke. Okay, I hope he's not watching the video. Okay, so WhiteFiber Incorporation, guys, 15 to 17 bucks sounds a lot, and it is. 7.8 million shares, a market cap of 557, let's say 560 million. I don't know. The balance sheet is really not that great. It's okay, whatever. It's nothing special. We looked at a few things. We didn't look at in this video the whole balance sheet. I looked at the whole balance sheet. There was nothing that stood out like exciting or cool. Like they're okay, but nothing great. Overall, I think that this company is way overvalued. But everyone seems excited. I don't know. People seems like maybe because of the AI Tier 3 data centers and all that stuff, and Canada doesn't have many companies like that. I personally will say now, and maybe I'll be wrong, but I will not pre-order this. And if it explodes when on August 7th when it goes public, I'm definitely going to get a lot of comments of people saying, well, that aged well and all that stuff. I'm laughing because, you know what? I don't have to take risks. Like I said, everybody trades differently, and I personally don't need to take risks. When you have some money, okay, I'm not going to say I'm rich or anything, but when you have some money, you don't risk them. You prefer to go a safer route. Personally speaking, for me, and here's another tip if you want to check it out, my personal safe route is ticker symbol IDEF. It went public a few months ago. It went public in May of this year, and so far it is up 16% already. It's doing awesome, and I don't expect it to do worse at all. I expect it to go higher and higher. Last time I checked, it was trading around $28.70. And by next year, I expect IDEF to be 46. So if I expect that, why not go that route? Then, Wi-Fi. Anyways, let me know in the comment section below what you think, and have a great day, everyone. Take care.